Tamilsai Soundararajan garu and my dear friends Murali Krishna Reddy garu, Ramchandra Reddy garu, Prem Sagar Reddy garu, Indrasena Reddy garu, National Chapter Vice Chairman Ram Reddy garu, all my senior colleagues and colleagues. After a long time, I had opportunity to meet all old friends in this event because almost last 2-3 years I have been working on that big project, Statue of Equality. Really, last 2-3 years I am not much focusing on the business. That Statue of Equality is going to be inaugurated in February by Honorable Prime Minister. I request all, you should participate in that. And today, I am so happy being my last 30 years in the building activity. You all recognizing me and giving this award, I really thank you, all my colleague friends, and particularly CREDAI. Today we all know Hyderabad is really booming, taking the biggest identity in the globe. Last 6-7 years we have been seeing the kind of transmission, the kind of high-rise buildings. And with this, we have to be also careful. We should not allow things should go wrong. Here we have to play very important role. All the stakeholders. The biggest stakeholder is the government, then the developers, then the most important is that the beneficiaries. Therefore, we have a big role to play because we know there is a lot of regulatory authorities in place, that is RERA, and also we have been seeing so many things I don't want to specifically mention. But I want to alert all my colleague members and all government senior officials to be more careful because so much volume is coming, and if it comes with all discipline, it should be welcome. But undisciplined things have to curtail it. And more so, I request all colleague members to bring to the government notice on the implementation of RERA in full-fledged. And also, we should not allow all this irregular construction activity. Therefore, end of the day, beneficiary, buyers is the at most important. Therefore, I request all of our colleague members, you are all doing, CREDAI is doing a wonderful job. I know big campaigning is there running, and whatever support from my side, I'll be there. With this, once again, I thank you all my members and also Our Excellency Governor Garu, Dr. Tamilsai Soundararajan, giving this award on this great event. Thank you one and all. Jai Sriman Narayan.